So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you are not able to access the camera from your Snapchat application. For example, if I open my Snapchat here, if you are not able to access the camera right there, if it shows that you have not permission to access the camera, you can easily fix that on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. While you are in the settings, you need to scroll down until you see this option of apps. Go to apps. Here find the Snapchat. It's in the S section here, right there we go. Simply click on the Snapchat name, and here you'll see this option that says camera. It must be disabled. If you are not able to access the camera on your Snapchat, you need to just simply enable this option. Now your Snapchat have the permissions to access the camera, and you are not able to face the same problem again. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.